is Emily, the little gold girl, and Isabella, the brindle. We're going down to the creek. These girls are about 6 months old. They are Mountain Cur Mastiff mixes, and I should call them Happy and Happy One because they are just sweet, happy girls. Always have a smile on their face. They're very submissive of all other dogs. They were dumped out in the country. They were covered in ticks. That was about 6 weeks ago. And now they're just happy to be saved and ready for their new homes. They're good with boy dogs. They're good with girl dogs. I've brought them inside and introduced them to the cats. They're nice to the cats. That being said, if it's an outside cat that ran, I'm sure they would chase it, but they have no meanness or aggressiveness in them. They're just sweet. And this little girl, she will kill you with her expressions. They're just a joy. Absolutely a joy.